I can write 100 pages on how this nest is built.
Even this tree, it's a thorny, it's a fruit tree.
Mm-hmm.
So it's kind of, this is a perfect location for them to protect themselves.
You didn't notice one thing. One thing is the predator cannot come from bottom because there is water.
Yes.
No cat or any animal can jump to the nest, and typically it's the end of the tree branch, and even if some animal is walking, it can't go underneath and then take the egg. Number one. Number two, most important thing I want you to notice, the opening of the nest is always on this side. It is facing you and that side. And you see the wind is coming from this side.
Southwest wind.
Okay. So what is happening is the opening of the nest is not taking the wind or the breeze.
Yeah.
So there is no disturbance inside, there is no turbulence inside the nest. And interestingly, the Baya Weaver bird male builds a nest and the female has to approve, then only the partnership takes place.